What's up everybody, it's Ty coming back to you for another Montana cocktail hour. I know it may not look like it, I'm wearing a sweatshirt, but it is in fact summertime in Montana and one of our favorite things to do, sit on the porch and enjoy a cocktail. So today we're going to be making a cocktail for you called the Lynchburg Lemonade. For us, it's kind of a nod to our favorite barbecue contest of the year when we get invited to Jack Daniels World Invitational. You'll see behind me we have our 4 barrelheads from the 4 years we've been able to attend. Sure hope for another one to go down there. But on Friday night of that contest, everybody goes up for dinner on the hill. This cocktail flows freely, everybody enjoys it, and it just resonates and brings back great memories for us. But it is a summertime cocktail, even when it's a little chilly. So let's go ahead and make it. We need Jack Daniels. Obviously today we're using Gentleman Jack. This is a single barrel from 2017 when we were there for that contest. They do a special release. Go in there and get numbered bottles 1 to 500. We're just gonna use triple sec. We use this one. It's a very nice high quality triple sec. Fresh squeezed lemon juice and lemon lime soda. We're gonna use Sprite today. All right, so now that we've talked about everything, let's go ahead and get started. Let's grab our shaker, full ice. We're gonna do 1.5 ounces Jack Daniels whiskey. We're gonna do 1 ounce triple sec. 1 ounce fresh lime juice or lemon juice. And we're gonna shake those. About 15 seconds, we're trying to chill it. And we're gonna break it open, maybe. There it goes. No, we're not. What am I doing? We are, because we want a dirty strain on that. Top it with your soda. Just enough to give it a little fizz. You garnish with your lemon. And so all that's left to do is take your cocktail, go sit on the porch, enjoy, but while you do it, make sure if you like the video, hit the like button, tap the bell so you don't miss any of them, hit the subscribe button, and leave a comment down below on what you think we should make. Obviously, we enjoy bourbon cocktails, rye cocktails, but let's hear what you got. Let's see what cocktails you guys want to see us make. Cheers. We'll see you next time on Montana Outlaw Cocktail Hour.